Hello, my name is Richard Anthony Marca, and this is the Friday update for our CSC 313 final project. As you can see, there are several changes here. So I'm going to start with the tank simulation. And the first of my changes, if I go all the way to the top, these are the changes I added right here. We have a public void add bullet and public tank get tank. This is to help make sure that the tank is seen in both players' windows so that if I move the tank on my screen, it shows on theirs. And that's the same for the bullet up here. If we go down more, this is a comment I added. It's not much of a big deal. Go down even more. I did change a little bit of this, like terrain bullets client. So I added more to the fire bullet. Go here is more like client send bullet data to make sure it sends the data across. I go all the way down here. We have this new method. We have this new method I added. This is tank from state. So this is to make sure that the state of the tank of whichever one it is ours is seen. So like for this one is blue. So that is for this tank. And if we mark the tank as remote, we can remark it as remote to set the tank of the opposite player and of our player. We go down more, way down here, whole new area for the bullet or shell, help deserialize it and to make sure that it actually is using the provided tank and terrain to generate on both ends. If I go over to the client.java, tank state has no changes, so I'm gonna skip that because like nothing really changed here. But if I go to client, there's some changes I made here, like I added terrain and tank simulation to here, as well as here, so it has both. If I go down a little bit more, updated the logic here to make sure it does both the current tank and the other tank as well as the bullets. Just edited this so it does more than just the player name, but also the bullets and the tank. And this is to make sure it sends the bullet data to both places from the client side. And from the server, this also has additions. Public synchronized void broadcast bullet to make sure that each client sends a bullet and brings back a bullet. And to broadcast the bullet. And that should be it on, yeah, this is for the broadcasting the bullet here. And that should be it for this update. And we will give you the finalized version tomorrow. Thank you for watching.